Let's create with UX Pilot an entire UX flow in one click. Today I want to talk with you about one feature that UX Pilot has. It's called Autoflow. Basically, it helps you to generate many screens in one click. I will show you how to do it now. Let's move to UX Pilot. Here on UX Pilot, as always, I select high fidelity design. Also, you can do it with wireframes, but in that case, let's do high fidelity design. I select the standard model and the desktop size. And here I have a basic prompt that explains that I want to create an application to manage my content on LinkedIn and in Instagram. And I give below some information about the visual design, like the primary color, the text color, the background color, and also that I want to use the typography inter. So once everything is set, let's move out from here. And then below, you have the Autoflow button. If I will click on that, you will see that it's created for me many screens for my application. So I click on it now. And as you can see, it generated for us many screens for the application, like, for example, overview of the scheduled post, analytics in quick access to create new content, interface for creating and editing posts for LinkedIn and Instagram, and there is many pages here. Now I can click on generate here, and it will generate all the screens. You can do it and generate 5, 10, 15 screens at once, or if you want, you can start from 5 screens, organize the application, and continue forward. So in that case, for example, I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pages. For that demonstration, let's create only 5. I click these 3 out, and now I have 5 pages. The overview of the scheduled post, interface for creating editing posts, visual calendar to showing scheduled post, collection of all past posts, and manage images, video, etc. Be aware that you can move up and down the pages you want to generate, and if you want to add information, you can click inside and add some information. So now we have everything, and let's click on generate to see the result. You can see here that it started to generate all the 5 screens. It can take some time because basically it's a lot of information to generate, but at the end we will have 5 pages for our application. It will help us to work much more faster and start to iterate more easily, because normally you need to move boxes in Figma and that stuff. Here not. You just explain what you want, like a PRD user story, you can call it as you want, and then it will create for us all the screens. It's finished to generate all the screen. Let's zoom in. Here you can see the first screen, the overview of the scheduled post, analytics, and quick access to create new content. As you can see here, all the information like a dashboard, create new content here. Here is the second screen, that in that case is interface for creating and editing post. And you can see here that we can select if LinkedIn or Instagram, the content, the media, and more information. The next one is the visual calendar, as you can see here, collection of all the past posts that we did. And at the end, media library. You can see here on the menu that it's selected media library. One thing that I want to show you, that is true that here we have all the information about the screen we generated, but in case you close the tab, log out, and that stuff, remember that here on the top of the screen, if you click on the menu, you have here the prompt history. So if you click on that, you will see what the prompt you use to create this screen. You can see it here. This is the base prompt, and here's the specific prompt for this page. One thing that is important to me to take a look, if it's added all the visual assets. So what you can do here, if you select here save and retry Figma, and then move to Figma, you will be able to edit this page on Figma. In a case you want to save all of them, not need to click one by one. You can go here. There is also a button, click on save. All of them will save, and you will be able to import them to Figma. Let's go to Figma and see if it's added all the visual designs that we asked to add. I am here in Figma, click here on UX Pilot plugin, go to saved here, and I have this group with all the pages that we save. Let's click on that, and here you can see that it will add all the screens we generate on the websites directly inside Figma. And let's see if it's added all the visual assets. But also remember that here you can also iterate like normally in Figma, move the elements and design it and tweak as you want. So let's close one moment the plugin. We have here all the screens. Let's see the colors that it's added here. I click on that. This color 0439FB. And that is the same color that I asked it to generate for us. Here in UX Pilot, let's make it big, and you can see it, primary color as we ask it to add. Background color, it's EA, EB, EE. I select the screen, you can see here the background color. So I assume it's take the color as we wish. You can see here that there is one error that we need to fix, so no problem on that. I select it, let's add it in white, and that's okay. So here's the process to automate all the process of creating screens. Not only by creating them, but also generate the idea for the screens, as you can see here. So this is about this feature. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. I will continue upload videos and share with you information about AI in design. If you want that I will create create a specific video about a topic, just drop it in the comment. And if you search for a designer that will help you add AI into your workflow, my contact info in the description below. See you in the next video. Take care.